Welcome to Vlog 8. Good morning, my friends. What a wild morning it's been so far. Look at this. Apple juice in the fire truck, because that makes total sense, right? Yes, that's what happens when you have a 2-year-old. Anyways, we've been suffering here from some constipation, and I'm gonna be doing some oatmeal pancakes with blueberries because we need to get things flowing over here, and this is perfect for that. It's perfect for kids as well. Let's go ahead and get started with breakfast. For this recipe, we're gonna use about 2 cups of oats. I don't normally measure this. I literally eyeball it, but that's about how much I use, so it's 2 cups. Then I always add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The baking powder allows them to fluff up and rise. So 1 teaspoon of that. A dash of maple syrup. So this is about 1 tablespoon is what I like to add. Not a lot, because then I normally add blueberries and that sweetens it up. And then on top, if they want some maple syrup, we add it. And then we go ahead and add milk. I like to use oat milk. We don't tend to use a lot of milk around here because they have sensitivity towards it. So we're gonna add the milk. And once again, I usually eyeball it. I feel like when I cover it, like this much is probably enough. So you can kind of see it's covering the oats. That should be enough, but we'll find out. Sometimes I end up adding water to it. We'll figure it out once we start blending it. So because I eyeball it, clearly I put too much of the milk in here. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit, probably like half a cup, I want to say, of more oats. So let's blend this a second time. This looks good. So you can see it's a pretty perfect consistency. Now some people like their pancakes thicker. I'm more on the thinner side, so I like this consistency. But you can kind of eyeball it. You just add a little bit of more oats. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of blueberries. So I'm gonna go rinse these off, and then I'm just gonna pour it straight into this batter. It's probably gonna be a lot of batter. I probably won't use it all, but it's okay. I can definitely store it and then use it tomorrow, and it'll be fine. So I've definitely used it every other day too. So if you make too much, don't feel bad. You can use it for a second meal. So now that that's done, I've been preheating my skillet. I totally forgot to film before, but I use coconut oil and just kind of move it around like so, and then just pour it directly on here. They're not going to be like the perfect round, but good enough. I usually break it up for them if I don't make them tiny. This one needs a little longer. bit of maple syrup. Tiny bit, not a lot. And hopefully this will be good enough for them. Because a lot of the times, one day they like them and the next they don't. If I want to make small, it's better for me to place them in a measuring cup and do small ones. Not all of them obviously are going to have blueberries, but here and there they will. And then you can get that small size pancake, which a lot of kids for some reason just prefer having small bites of pancake. Here are the little pancakes. So these are the perfect little pancakes for the kids if they don't eat the other ones. Everyone ate everything. So these are leftovers. I'm probably gonna make peanut butter jelly sandwiches with them. And this could be a great snack as well. It is snack time and we are going to be doing a smoothie that this household absolutely loves. And it's pretty easy. So I use one banana, a whole bunch of frozen blueberries. Right, buddy? Yeah. Let's put more blueberries because it's looking a little skimp. So we definitely need some more blueberries. Ready? Set. Go! All right. That looks good. Now we're going to add a little bit of oat milk, right?
No, milk.
Milk, that's right. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! And next, peanut butter. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, we all love peanut butter, huh? Then we're gonna add some chia seeds. I usually do 1 little spoon, and that's good enough. And I'm going to add a little bit of that pouch that we didn't use the other day, remember? Just because it has some papaya, and it'll help things flowing over here. Hopefully it won't alter it too much in flavor with the peanut butter being so strong. Oh my god, look at these kids. Okay, we gotta go ahead and spin it now. No more. Say bye-bye, peanut butter.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Smoothie that they just devour it. And remember my pineapple papaya? You're drinking it in here, so nothing goes to waste in this household. I always find a way to repurpose it, to stick it in something else, like you name it. I will get them to eat it eventually. We left off on day 4, so we have a lot of catching up. So I'm gonna open 5, 6, 7, and then today is 8. Oh my gosh. We didn't even try day 4. So we got, I think, literally 5 beers. So let's see. Number 5 is right here. Oh, not a fan of this one already. Grapefruit IPA. Interesting. The next one is... Ooh, what is this? I don't even know what this... Weissen? What is it? Bavarian style wheat beer called Weissen. Then we have 7 right here. A Mexican lager. That one should be good. Probably like a Corona style. And then a double hazy IPA India Pale Ale. Wow, we got a lot of catching up to do. Let's try some chocolate beer. This is the one that we totally did not. It looks very dark. Interesting. Oh my god, this is really good. This tastes like a beer in Colombia that they sell. The beer company, I think it's called in Colombia, and it tastes just like this. It's good. I like it. It's a dark beer. I don't think it's gonna be for everyone though, but it does bring back that memory of Colombia. Interesting. Come here. Try it.
Got my PBR, I'm good.
You gotta try it. What does that remind you of? A beer we have had.
Yeah, I was gonna say, at first there was like, this actually tastes kind of familiar and good.
Where?
But then that chocolate kind of kicks in and it's like, ooh. It's like that beer we've had, but then somebody poured chocolate syrup into it.
No, it tastes like the one from Colombia. The beer company.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
See?
That flight of beer we had, yeah, that was really good.
Yeah, see? That's the one.
Yep. That beer, and then somebody was like, here's some chocolate syrup. Like, you enjoy this beer?
Yeah.
Chocolate syrup.
The chocolate's too strong, but it reminds me of that beer from that flight. It's like this flight, and I don't know what it's called. I have to research it. But, yeah, it tastes like that, but a lot stronger, like the chocolatey part. But it's not bad.
No, it's like 2 things you really like, and then you put it together, and it's like you kind of don't like it.
Alright. Well then. This completes this video. We're gonna try those other beers another time. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah. Bye!